final performance that you have just seen before you.
This white bikes carry the national flag in the center, the Indian Army flag on the right, and the Durand flag on the left. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a big round of applause for the speed crossing. And they'll be doing this once again. A big round of applause. Let's do it for them. This is the 10th position. Right in front of the VIP gallery, they will be performing the chest jump. This is a daredevil and void of caution. Do not try this anywhere at all.